Hello, I OP Srivastava is going to explain about the charge moving in magnetic field where it is acted by a force known as Lorentz force. So let us discuss this statement and let us solve one numerical based on it. Okay. So as you see on the screen, I have already mentioned the statement, but let us start from very beginning. So I am off it. Statement. What it says that when a charge say q moves in a magnetic field say vector b means it has a certain different velocity and magnitude. With the velocity say vector v means it has different magnitude and direction. When it is acted by a force known as Lorentz force, and is given as vector f is equal to q v cross b means the force will be perpendicular to vector v and vector b because any vector which is output of v cross v is always perpendicular to v and b. We know it. And the magnitude of the force will be given as mod f is equal to q into v into b into sine theta, where theta is the angle between vector v and vector b. Means whenever a charge moves in a magnetic field, it is acted by a force known as Lorentz force, and this Lorentz force will be always perpendicular to the velocity as well as magnetic field. If the charge is q, velocity is vector v, magnetic field vector b, then Lorentz force vector f is given as q into v cross b. And that's all. Now let us solve a numerical based on it. Numerical question. Let us generate a question first. Q is say 8.5 coulomb. X component of velocity is 2. Y component of velocity is minus 6. Z component is minus 12. Means vector B is 2i minus 6j minus 12k meter per second. If you want you can change it as well. हम v z को मान लिया हम इसको 10 कर देते हैं. Let us चलिए 20 कर देते. Okay. So vector B is 2i minus 6j plus 20j, and magnetic field is 3i plus 4j plus 6k. You can make it as 9, you can make it as 10k as well, Weber per meter square. Then we have to find out the Lorentz force acting on it. Okay? So what we have to do and how can we do it? Solution I am showing it here. According to question, V is 2i minus 6j plus 20k and vector B is 3i plus 4j plus 10k. So vector v is, as you know, vector v is vxi plus byz plus vzk, and vector b is vxi plus by plus byj plus bzk, then v cross b will be this much. Then vy bz minus bz vy I plus vz bx minus vx bzj plus vx by minus by vy bxk, where I, j, k are unit vector along x axis, y axis and z axis. It is well known. So v cross b, if you calculate, you will get this much. And obviously Lorentz force is F is equal to q into v cross b. You put it in this way and solve it, you will get this result. That is the simple way. The most important thing what you have to do, that is v cross v. You must know how to get the cross product of two vectors. That is the essential part of it. This way you can get the numerical. You by changing this different value, you can get the different answer. I am providing these facilities on my uh, in my website. This is already uploaded. There you can go and practice it. By yourself you can change bx, by, bz, and you can get the different answer. Okay, and we want more and more, we want to know more and more, you visit my website. Website is sites.google.com/view/om gurukul. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching it.